Trottin' to the fair, me and Molly Molony, seated, I declare, on a single pony. How am I to know that Molly's safe behind, with our heads in oh that awkward, awkward way inclined? By her gentle breathin', whispered past my ear, and her white arms wreathin', warm around me here. Thus on Dobbin's back I discoursed the darling, till upon her track leapt a mongrel snarling. I says, Moll, I'm frightened that the pony'll start, and her pretty hand she tightened round my happy heart, till I asked her, may I steal a kiss or so? And my Molly's grey eye didn't answer no. Thus on Dobbin's back I discoursed the darling, till upon our track leapt a mongrel snarling. I says, Moll, I'm frightened that the pony'll start, and her pretty hand she tightened round my happy heart, till I asked her, may I steal a kiss or so?